Welcome to the Passion Theory, Rico Monaco Guitar Method. This instruction DVD is based on music theory for guitarists. Theory consists of scales, chords, arpeggios, songs, solos, improvisation, exercises, etc. It is not a standard sight reading lesson. If you would like to learn to sight read, there are many great materials available. My lessons teach you to understand and use music theory to become a great guitarist. You can go to the website for any support and other questions that you might have. Throughout this DVD, I will design a daily lesson plan for you that will use your time efficiently so that you don't waste time doing things that don't help you move forward. It's good to learn from different sources, but you must have a method to focus on, an organized plan. Think of my method as an organized plan and a vehicle to help you move forward and to learn what you absolutely need. Time management and efficiency are important to your success, but the love of music and passion to play are what will carry you through the ups and downs of learning the guitar. You will appreciate music at a higher level of understanding, and music reflects life, and you should pour your experiences into your music. Play with passion and enjoy every minute of every day that you play the guitar.